Well, hello everybody. I'm out here working on the building, doing my anchor bolt supports, holders, boards, whatever you want to call them. They hold the anchor bolts in position during the concrete pour. Okay. With a red iron building, it's pretty important that they got to be right. So I've been having the blueprints out this morning, double checking all my work, everything, and making sure everything's out. I'm less than a quarter inch out of square. So all I'm doing is making my marks, measuring from the edge, making my marks, setting it square with the form board, and that's about all you can do. So let's watch what all I do. Let's see if we can see it. All right, so I got the mark 20-foot center. You see it? Yeah. You see it? Yeah. 20 foot from the edge of the concrete. See, this is your step board, inch and a half step board. So it's 20 foot from the inside of that 2x2 over there. So I went 20'3" from the outside to right here because it was inch and a half for the foam board, inch and a half for the step board. And that's that mark. So then I simply take and make a mark. Let's see. Best I can do. My tripod's holding the time lapse. So I just simply get the 2x8 is 7 1/4 inches wide. So I go 3 5/8 on each side of that mark and make one. Okay. I simply put it on 3 5/8 and then make a mark at 10 and 17 1/4, and that's 7 1/4. And yes, I use 10s because you can't, with these hooks, it is hard to make marks accurately. So then I am simply using a speed square, marking the outside. All right. Then I'm gonna show you a little trick that I done found, which is put this board, you screw in from the inside. First things first, hold a level on it and make sure that you can pull it down straight, okay? So I gotta grind a little bit of this off, and that's fine. So we're gonna go level right here. And my OCD kicks in, so get that straight, level. Feel of them, they're both smooth, not sticking out. All right, so then I hold this in position. So see, I got these marked, and I did this a while back. I already went by the blueprints, and that's your step board, I'm sorry. All right, so this is your 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, 2x2 at the top for your step in the concrete to keep water out. This is the form board. So I put these right here where they go, about on the lines. So it looks like I gotta bend these a little bit, okay? All right, let's try it again. Y'all have to apologize for what I'm doing. I can't hardly hold this in the camera. And my OCD kicking in, so I gotta make sure I'm right. I think that's good. now, what we're gonna do, around this level, see I gotta go up. So I take my flap disc on the grinder. It's faster, it's easier out here. And I'm bumping the line. Gives me some adjustment. We good to go with that. Anchor bolts. I'll be right back. These things have got hot. And I mean hot. All right. So let's put big one. Y'all see what I'm doing? And these holes are barely the right size. What that's gonna do is hold them anchors straight and they won't wobble around. They're real good and tight and will hold up. Now, y'all, if y'all hadn't watched it, y'all can see I had to make my own anchor bolts. So I'm putting one of these in each corner, in each location. They didn't have enough around here. Had a hard time finding them at that. So when I finally found them, I took what I could get. I got 22 regular anchors. I had to make 10. So 2 locations do have 2 of these anchors that I built. But they're fine. Them are 1/2-inch bolts, welded on, same type fashion. They'll be just fine. You just do it where it barely threads sticking out top of the nut, pull it back down. And that's good. Put them in here. All right, on spot. Fighting rebar and wire and everything else. You just got to kind of work your way around it till it fits. And what I do, all right, I gotta move, gotta hit it one more time. Here's some pliers. Hold on. All right, cut a piece of wire. Let's cut that wire right there and come down because it's barely bumping against it. Now let's do this again. All right, and you don't want it touching the wire at all. You just don't want the possibility of it holding it off just a little, and then when they go to pulling that wire up and stuff. And there we go. Line my marks up. right, so that got the square. Just use the speed square. So now, put my level there. And it's got to come up a good little bit. Now before I screw this down, I'm gonna hold it up past where it goes. And it almost always falls down from the weight. Don't touch it. Yep, I made a mistake in touching it. There we go. That's all there is to it. So this literally took me 12 minutes having to go get stuff, you know, not having everything here that I needed. It's level, it's square, it's in the right location. I'd already done all this work with the blueprints before, so all of that's right. I did that I did the marking weeks ago. Drilled them out, I think last week or the week before. You know, it didn't take too long, really, to be honest with you. I'm gonna put a couple more screws in here, just me, and this will be ready for concrete tomorrow. Got one more to go, do some electrical stubs, and I gotta go get ready for that game, for a ball game tonight. So appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoying it. If y'all want to see something, let me know. If you want me to do something different, let me know. Y'all have a great day. Remember, build it, don't buy it, and we'll catch you next time.